How to log out from Bolt app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Bolt app. If you want to log out from your Bolt account or the application, then you can simply follow these steps. First of all, open your Bolt application on your mobile device, and here, if you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to simply tap on your account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be presented with this page. Here, you will need to simply scroll down a bit, and at the very bottom, you will be able to locate the logout option. Simply tap on it, and then a pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, it will ask you if you are really sure to log out from your account. Simply tap on logout in order to confirm. Now wait for a few seconds and then you will see you have been successfully logged out from your account. Now in order to log in back to your account, you will need to simply enter your credentials such as your phone number or your email address and then continue further in order to log into your account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.